Have you ever noticed your legs feeling weaker as you age? Simple tasks like walking, climbing stairs, or even standing up from a chair may feel more challenging over time. This happens because we naturally lose muscle mass as we get older, which can affect our balance, mobility, and independence. But the good news is, you can fight back. In this video, we'll reveal 6 powerful foods that can help strengthen your legs, improve mobility, and keep you active longer. Make sure to watch until the end because we'll not only show you what to eat but also explain how each food supports your muscles, joints, and energy levels, helping you stay strong and independent for years to come. Before we begin, I would appreciate it if you like this video. You can help me continue to spread the old age lesson. If you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. If you like this video, please comment number 1. If you don't like it, comment number 0 to let me know, so I can make a better video for you. Now let's get started. 1. Sweet potato, sustainable energy for muscles. Sweet potatoes are among the most nutritious and beneficial foods for maintaining overall health, especially for seniors looking to support muscle function and sustain energy levels throughout the day. Unlike refined carbohydrates that cause quick spikes and crashes in blood sugar, sweet potatoes are packed with complex carbohydrates, which provide a slow and steady release of energy. This gradual energy supply is particularly important for seniors, as it helps maintain endurance for daily activities such as walking, climbing stairs, gardening, or even light exercise. Beyond their role as a reliable energy source, sweet potatoes are also rich in dietary fiber. This fiber supports healthy digestion by promoting regularity and enhancing nutrient absorption. Proper digestion ensures that essential vitamins and minerals are efficiently absorbed, further contributing to muscle health and overall vitality. One of the standout nutrients in sweet potatoes is vitamin A, which plays a crucial role in muscle maintenance and recovery. As a potent antioxidant, vitamin A helps protect muscle tissue from oxidative stress, which can contribute to age-related muscle loss. By reducing oxidative damage, sweet potatoes may support muscle longevity, keeping seniors active and independent for longer. Additionally, vitamin A supports the immune system, which is essential for overall well-being, particularly as the body ages. Furthermore, sweet potatoes contain potassium, an essential electrolyte that aids in muscle contraction, reduces the risk of cramps, and helps regulate fluid balance in the body. Maintaining proper hydration and electrolyte balance is critical for muscle function, particularly in older adults who may be more prone to dehydration. Another key benefit of sweet potatoes is their rich supply of vitamin C, which plays a role in collagen production. Collagen is a vital protein that helps maintain the integrity of muscles, tendons, and connective tissues, reducing the risk of injury and promoting faster recovery after physical activity. Incorporating sweet potatoes into a senior-friendly diet is easy, as they can be prepared in a variety of delicious and nutritious ways. Whether baked, mashed, roasted, or added to soups and stews, they offer a naturally sweet and satisfying option that supports muscle health, energy levels, and overall well-being. By including sweet potatoes as a staple in their diet, seniors can enjoy a natural and sustainable energy source that nourishes muscles, supports digestion, and promotes long-term health. 2. Oats, a source of protein and sustainable energy. Oats are an incredibly beneficial food for muscle health in older adults, offering a powerhouse of essential nutrients that support energy levels, muscle maintenance, and overall well-being. One of the key benefits of oats is their low glycemic index, GI, meaning they provide a slow and steady release of energy. This helps prevent sudden spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, making them an ideal carbohydrate source for sustaining endurance throughout the day. For seniors, this steady energy supply can improve stamina for daily activities such as walking, household chores, and light exercise, reducing fatigue and promoting an active lifestyle. Beyond providing a sustained energy source, oats are an excellent plant-based protein option. Protein plays a crucial role in muscle rebuilding and maintenance, which becomes increasingly important with age as the body naturally experiences muscle loss. The protein in oats helps support muscle strength, making them a valuable addition to the diet of seniors looking to preserve mobility and independence. In addition to protein, oats are rich in essential minerals such as iron and magnesium. Iron is necessary for the production of hemoglobin, a protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout the body. Proper oxygen transport ensures that muscles receive the oxygen they need to function optimally, reducing the risk of fatigue and weakness. Meanwhile, Magnesium is a key mineral involved in muscle contraction and relaxation. Adequate magnesium intake helps prevent muscle cramps, spasms, and stiffness, which are common concerns for older adults. Furthermore, oats contain a significant amount of dietary fiber, particularly beta-glucan, which supports heart health by helping to lower cholesterol levels. This makes oats a heart-friendly choice that benefits not only muscle health but also overall cardiovascular function. The combination of fiber, protein, and complex carbohydrates makes oats a highly nutritious and well-balanced food option for seniors. To incorporate more oats into the diet, consider enjoying them as a warm bowl of oatmeal in the morning, blending them into smoothies, or using oat flour in baking for a nutrient-dense twist on traditional recipes. Whether eaten as a hearty breakfast or a wholesome snack, oats provide a delicious and effective way to support muscle health, sustain energy, and promote overall well-being in older adults. If you are still watching this video and finding these lessons useful, please comment number 1 below to let me know that you are still watching this video with me. Thank you for your valuable time. 3. Avocado, healthy fats for muscle function. Avocados are more than just a delicious addition to meals. They are a powerhouse of essential nutrients that support muscle function, joint health, and overall well-being, especially for older adults. One of the key benefits of avocados is their high content of monounsaturated fats. Unlike unhealthy trans fats, monounsaturated fats are heart-healthy and play a crucial role in reducing inflammation throughout the body, including the joints and muscles. This is particularly important for seniors, as chronic inflammation can contribute to joint stiffness, discomfort, and muscle weakness over time. By incorporating avocados into your diet, you can help keep inflammation in check and promote better mobility. In addition to healthy fats, avocados are an excellent source of potassium, an essential mineral that plays a vital role in muscle control, contraction, and cramp prevention. Many older adults experience muscle cramps due to potassium deficiencies, often exacerbated by dehydration or certain medications. Avocados contain more potassium than bananas, making them an excellent choice for maintaining proper muscle function and reducing the risk of painful cramps. Another standout nutrient in avocados is vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect muscle cells from oxidative damage. Over time, free radicals can break down muscle tissue, contributing to age-related muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia. By consuming antioxidant-rich foods like avocados, you can help preserve muscle strength and function as you age. Avocados also provide B vitamins, which are essential for energy production and reducing fatigue. When combined with other nutrient-dense foods, they can support optimal muscle recovery and endurance, making daily activities easier and more enjoyable. Adding avocados to your diet is easy and versatile. You can enjoy them sliced on whole grain toast, blended into smoothies, added to salads, or even mashed as a heart-healthy spread. No matter how you eat them, you'll be nourishing your body with essential nutrients that promote muscle strength, joint health, and overall vitality. 4. Berries. Protection against muscle degeneration. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are among the most antioxidant-rich foods available. These small but powerful fruits are packed with essential nutrients that support muscle health and help protect against age-related muscle degeneration. One of the key benefits of berries is their high antioxidant content, including anthocyanins, flavonoids, and vitamin C. These compounds help combat oxidative stress, which occurs when free radicals damage cells and tissues, leading to inflammation and muscle degradation over time. By reducing oxidative damage, berries can play a crucial role in preserving muscle strength and function, especially as we age. Additionally, berries have strong anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce muscle and joint pain. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to muscle loss and stiffness, and consuming anti-inflammatory foods like berries can help alleviate discomfort and improve mobility. This makes berries particularly beneficial for seniors who may experience arthritis, joint pain, or age-related muscle soreness. Another significant benefit of berries is their high vitamin C content. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which is a key structural protein in the body. Collagen plays a vital role in maintaining the strength and flexibility of tendons, ligaments, and muscles. A sufficient intake of vitamin C can support muscle repair and recovery, helping to maintain overall physical function. Moreover, berries provide a good source of dietary fiber, which supports gut health and digestion. A healthy gut microbiome has been linked to reduced inflammation and better nutrient absorption, both of which contribute to maintaining muscle mass and overall well-being. Incorporating a variety of berries into your diet is an easy and delicious way to support muscle health. Whether eaten fresh, blended into smoothies, added to yogurt, or used in salads, these nutrient-packed fruits can help protect against muscle degeneration, keeping you active and strong for years to come. If you are still watching this video and finding these lessons useful, please comment number 2 below to let me know that you are still watching this video with me. Thank you for your valuable time. 5. Salmon. High-quality protein and omega-3. Salmon is one of the most beneficial foods for older adults looking to maintain strong muscles and overall health. As a high-quality protein source, salmon provides all the essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair, maintenance, and growth. This is particularly important for seniors, as muscle mass naturally declines with age, a condition known as sarcopenia. Consuming enough protein can help slow down this process, preserving strength, mobility, and independence. Beyond its protein content, salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. These essential fats offer powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce muscle soreness, stiffness, and joint pain. Chronic inflammation is a common concern for older adults, often contributing to conditions such as arthritis and other age-related ailments. Regular consumption of omega-3 rich foods like salmon can help alleviate discomfort and support overall joint flexibility. Omega-3 fatty acids also play a vital role in cardiovascular health, improving blood circulation and ensuring that oxygen and essential nutrients efficiently reach the muscles. This not only enhances muscle function but also helps prevent fatigue and promotes quicker recovery after physical activity. Additionally, omega-3s have been linked to improved cognitive function, heart health, and even a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. To maximize the benefits of salmon, seniors should aim to incorporate it into their diet at least twice a week. Opting for wild-caught salmon when possible ensures a higher concentration of omega-3s and fewer potential contaminants. Grilled, baked, or poached salmon are excellent preparation methods that retain their nutritional value while keeping meals heart-healthy and delicious. By making salmon a regular part of their diet, older adults can support their muscles, joints, heart, and overall well-being, ensuring they stay active and vibrant for years to come. 6. Eggs, a nutritional powerhouse for muscles. Eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense foods available and serve as an excellent source of high-quality protein, making them a fantastic choice for supporting muscle strength and overall health. Each egg contains all 9 essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of muscle tissue. These amino acids play a critical role in repairing and rebuilding muscles, especially important for older adults who may experience muscle loss with age, a condition known as sarcopenia. In addition to their impressive protein content, eggs are a rich source of vitamin D, a vital nutrient for both bone health and muscle function. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in calcium absorption, which helps maintain strong bones and reduce the risk of fractures. It also supports muscle contractions, coordination, and strength, all of which are essential for mobility and balance. Since many older adults have low vitamin D levels, consuming eggs can be an easy and effective way to boost their intake. Another essential nutrient found in eggs is choline, a compound that supports brain health and communication between nerves and muscles. Choline helps regulate the signals that control muscle movement, ensuring that messages from the brain reach the muscles efficiently. This function is particularly important for older adults, as proper nerve-muscle communication is key to maintaining balance, preventing falls, and preserving overall mobility. Eggs are also rich in healthy fats, including omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce muscle stiffness and joint pain. These fats also support heart health, which is essential for maintaining endurance and energy levels. For seniors looking to maintain strong legs and overall mobility, incorporating eggs into their diet can make a significant difference. They are versatile, easy to prepare, and can be enjoyed in numerous ways, such as boiled, scrambled, or incorporated into healthy recipes. By making eggs a regular part of their meals, older adults can support muscle maintenance, enhance coordination, and ultimately improve their independence and quality of life. That's it for today's video. What have you learned so far? We've covered 6 powerful foods that can help strengthen your legs, improve mobility, and keep you active as you age. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Comment below and share one thing you've learned and will start applying in your daily life. Will you be adding more sweet potatoes, oats, or maybe salmon to your meals? Let us know. If you like this video, please leave your comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your support helps us bring you more valuable health tips to keep you strong and independent. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.